Module 2, Episode 1, Introduction to WordPress, Website Design Basics, Domain and Hosting. Hello and welcome back to Alive Digital eLearnings. We are starting an exciting new web designing series where you will learn everything you need to know about website designing and WordPress. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out our lessons about website designing, WordPress and digital marketing. Now imagine this. If you're opening a grand store, you have your products, your brand name and your vision. But here is the question, where your store is, where people will come to browse and explore. That's exactly what a website is. In a digital world, your storefront, your presence is a website. And today, we will take our first step into understanding how to create this essential space online. What's today's agenda? Here we will cover in this video. What exactly is a WordPress? What's the difference between website designing and website development? What are the domains and hosting? Also, how do they power your website? A sneak peek into WordPress, a powerful tool to turn your ideas into reality. So now let's start with what is a website. Picture it as a collection of pages bounded together like characters in a book. These pages are connected by hyperlinks and live under unique address on internet, that is your domain. They are accessible to anyone through a web browser like Chrome or Firefox or Safari. Now some of you might wonder, do I really need a website for digital marketing? Technically, you can do digital marketing without website. But without a website, you will be missing out tools like SEO, Google Analytics, and the strategies like retargeting. A website is your home base in digital universe. Without it, your marketing efforts can feel incomplete. Website design versus website development. Think of a website like a movie. Website design like art direction. It's all about the visuals, color, font and layouts. Tools like Figma, Photoshop, Canva are a designer playground. Even WordPress is a website designing tool. Website development is a technical magic that brings the design to life. Developers use coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make the website functional and interactive, like editor making sure the movie flows smoothly. Both aspects are equally crucial. A beautifully designed website that don't work properly frustrate users, and functionally but visually dull website, that's missed opportunity to engage your audience. Key elements of website. Let's break down the functional building blocks of a website. Web page. Think of them as individual chapters in your story. Hyperlink. The bridge that connects the chapter or take you to the whole new block. IP address. Internet protocol address, the GPS coordinates of your website. Domain name, your digital address like alivedigital.in. Hosting, imagine renting land to build your store. Hosting is the service that keeps your website online and accessible. With these fundamentals in place, you will ready to move forward. Types of domain. Now let's imagine you are naming your dream store. What name would you choose? That name, your domain, is your digital identity. Popular domain extensions and their uses. .com. Perfect for business targeting global audience. .co. Great for startups and companies when .com isn't available. .org. Best suited for NGOs and non-profit organizations. .net. Ideal for tech and networking companies. .in. Fantastic for Indian audience ranking well locally. .edu. Exclusively for educational institute. Choosing the right domain extensions is like picking the perfect outfit. It reflects your brand's purpose and personality. How to purchase a domain, GoDaddy example. Now that you understand domain types, let's look at how to purchase one. Here I am taking the example of GoDaddy because it's the simplest one from my experience. It does not mean I am promoting any brand. So visit godaddy.com or any another domain registrar. Use the search bar to check your desired domain is available. If it is not, explore suggested alternatives. Add your chosen domain to the cart. Consider domain protection, it's an optional, like insurance for your domain. Skip unnecessary add-ons like free websites or email IDs unless you need them. Choose how long you want to own these domains. Minimum is 1 year, maximum it can be 5 to 10 years. Create your account, complete the payment, and congratulations, the domain is now yours. What next? So here we will dive into the hosting option and how to choose the best one. In the next video, we will cover this. If you love the information in this video, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to Alive Digital e-learnings channel. If you have any questions or doubt, you can join our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description. This community is here to help answer your questions, queries, and support your learning journey. Until then, stay curious, keep creating new things. Signing off, Rohit Dev, your digital marketing trainer. Thank you.